and thank you for tuning in. This is an Easter special video based upon the comments that you made last time after the Ninja Turtle video earlier this week. Happy Easter everyone, and I hope you enjoy this video. For the first craft, we're going to use the ever so famous paper roll that you can turn into so many different crafts. And this is something you will find in every home. Did you guess already what we're making? Choose a color for your bunny. Then place 3 or 4 fingers inside the roll depending on how big the roll is. This will make it easier to rotate the bunny as you go around. What else do we need to make it into a bunny?
Eyes and a pom-pom. What are these? A pom-pom.
What could they be for the bunny?
Aha! They also have ideas. Well, sometimes they had radios I saw. Inside. Inside they have ideas. Aha. They were so fluffy.
Then we cut out legs, painted them and glued them underneath the bunny. So, this was our craft session for the Easter bunny request. How did we do? Zane's request was to make a super easy Easter bonnet. So I thought maybe you could use these crowns as a base. Use cardboard long enough to go around your head and then staple it together. And then use your creativity and imagination to decorate it. I would love to see how yours turn out. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye!